Let's take a look at the certificate generator web app we just built using Python and Streamlit. Once the app is open, we start by uploading a certificate template image, either PNG or JPG. As soon as it uploads, we get a live preview of the certificate right here in the main window. About that, there is a text box where you can type in a list of names, one per line, as many as you want. Here I have added two sample names, Soft Learning and YT Channel. From this drop down, you can select any name to preview it on the certificate. This helps you verify the placement before downloading. Next, we support custom fonts. Upload a .ttf file if you want your own style, or just use built-in fonts like Arial, Times, or Courier. You can also adjust the font size using the slider and choose a text color with the built-in color pickup. Fine-tuning is easy. Just adjust the X and Y positions using the number input fields. This makes sure the name appears exactly where you want it on the certificate. Right below that, you can choose the output format, PNG, JPG, or JPEG. And finally, once you are happy with the preview, just scroll down and click download. Now, I will switch to YT channel from the drop down and hit download again. That's it, your customized certificate is ready in seconds. Before we begin, we need to install two Python libraries, Streamlit for the web interface and Pillow for image processing. You can install them using pip with the command pip install Streamlit and Pillow. Let's start building. First, we import our main library, Streamlit. Streamlit is used to create the web app. It's super simple and interactive. Then Pillow, which we import as image draw, and image font, will help us load our certificate template and write text on it. We also import IO, which let us save the image in memory before downloading. Now we set up our Streamlit page. The set underscore page underscore config sets the page title and centers everything nicely on the screen. Then we display a title at the top of the page. In the slide bar, we start by letting the user upload a certificate background image. Usually it's PNG or a JPG file where the name will be placed. Next, we move into font customization. We separate sections using a horizontal rule with the st.markdown and a header called font setting. These checkbox lets user decide whether they want to upload their own font. Here we define a default font path and a placeholder variable for the uploaded font. If the user checks the custom font box, we allow them to upload a .ttf file. Otherwise, we show a drop-down to choose a built-in font like Arial or Times. Then we add a slider to control the font size and a color picker to change the font color. This section allows user to control where the text will be appear on the certificate. They can fine-tune the X and Y coordinates for the perfect placement. And finally, in the slide bar, we let users pick their preferred output format, PNG, JPG, or JPEG. If a certificate template has been uploaded, we open the image using Pillow and convert it into RGB mode. Then we add a text area where users can type in one or more names, one per line. We clean up the input by removing any empty lines or spaces. If the name list isn't empty, we show a drop-down to preview one name at a time. Here we make a copy of the template so the original stays untouched. Then we create a drawing context to write text onto it. We try to load the selected font, either the uploaded one or the default. If it fails for any reason, we fall back to a basic default font. This is where the magic happens. We draw the selected name at the specified X and Y position with a chosen font and color. We show a live preview of the certificate with the selected name. Next, we save the certificate into memory using the format the user selected. Finally, we show a download button to save the certificate. The file name will match the selected name. If the user hasn't added the names, we show a warning. If no template has been uploaded yet, we show an info message guiding them to upload one. Now that everything is set up, let's see our certificate generator in action. I'm starting by uploading a certificate template. This can be any PNG or JPG file you have designed. Once uploaded, a file preview appears right here, so we can immediately see how it looks. Now let's enter a few names. I have added Learning and YT channel as example. You can add as many names as you want, just one per line. This drop down let us switch between each names and preview it individually. We can upload a custom .ttf font or pick from system defaults like Arial or Times. Next, I can adjust the font size to match my layout and pick any color using this color picker. To get the name exactly where I want it, I will use these X and Y sliders to fine tune the position. Once I am happy with the layout, I can choose the download format PNG, JPG or JPEG. And finally, just click this button to download the certificate for the selected name. Now, I will switch from Learning to YT channel, preview again and hit download. And that's it. You have just seen how to build a fully functional certificate generator using Python and Streamlit, complete with custom font support, precise positioning, and multi-name generations. This project is a great example of how simple Python tools can be combined to build something practical and production ready. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss more Python and creative tech content like this. I have also shared the source code and font resource in the description, so you feel free to clone this project, experiment, and even customize it for your own events or certifications. Thanks for watching. Keep building, keep learning, and I will see you in the next one.